Hey everybody, this is Juan from the Two Brothers Real Estate team, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about 3 home renovations that will not increase the value of your home. Okay, so let's go at it. All right, so the first renovation that will not increase the value of your home is putting a new swimming pool. Now, of course, we're not in California, we're not in, Florida where it's hot all the time. In Canada, of course, we can only use the pool maybe 2 or 3 months out of the year. So potential buyers will actually be put off by the thought of having to pay to maintain the pool throughout the year just to be able to use it for a couple of months out of the year. Now, the other reason why pools are not going to increase value is because a lot of potential buyers will be worried about the hazards, especially when they have young kids. Okay, the second renovation that will not add value to your home is changing the plumbing of the whole home or the HVAC system. Now, the reason is because most buyers will not pay for renovations that you cannot see, right? Of course, the plumbing happens behind the walls and so on. So for most buyers, they won't pay extra money for stuff that they don't see. Now, instead of changing the whole HVAC system and plumbing, what I would recommend is just focusing on the small maintenance of the HVAC that you already have or the plumbing that you already have. Okay, so just make sure that everything is working perfectly instead of changing the whole thing. All right, now the third reno that will probably not add value to your home when you sell it is building a wine cellar. Now, the reason is because not many people out there will actually pay extra to have a wine cellar. Now, of course you can build a wine cellar, but make sure that you build it way before you sell so you actually get to use it and enjoy it. Okay, so if that's the reason why you're doing it and you're expecting to use it for a few years or 5 years, then that's fine because you're definitely going to take advantage of the wine cellar before you sell. Okay, so those are 3 renos that will probably not add value to your home when you sell it. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay?